Good day everyone, welcome to my video. Let's discuss about the financial planning. So financial planning is the process of managing financial resources to achieve long-term financial goals. So financial planning is essentially taking control of your money to achieve your life goals. It's about making conscious choices with your money to secure your future. That's for financial planning. And in financial planning, we have a three key components. First, we have the budgeting. In budgeting, in financial planning, is like a creating spending plan for your money. It's about tracking where your money goes and making sure you're using wisely to reach your goal. Example, imagine you earn 30,000 a month. Budgeting helps you decide how to spend the money. Example, in, in your needs, you have 50%, which is 15,000 for essentials like rent, food, and transportation. And to your wants, you have a 9,000 pesos for things you enjoy like dining, out of entertainment. And for your savings, you have a 6,000 pesos for your future like dining, like for your future like an emergency fund or investment. And that's for the budgeting. And for the second component, we have the forecasting. In forecasting, it's predicting the future financial outcomes based on historical data and expected future events. For example of forecasting, imagine you are a small business owner. Forecasting helps you predict your future income and expenses. Example, you sell 100 shirts a month at 500 peso each, earning 50,000 pesos. You forecast a 10% increase in sales next month, meaning you expect to sell 110 shirts. This would mean 55,000 in an income. It's like the shirts that a 110, you times it to 500 pesos, so the equivalent will be the 55,000. That will be your income to your future. Forecasting, forecasting helps you plan ahead, adjust your budget, and make informed decisions about your business. And next we have the last components, the setting goals. Setting goals, defining both short-term and long-term financial objectives. Example, saving for expansion or reducing debt. Example for setting goals in financials is like having a roadmap for your money. Example, the what I said is the short term and long term. In when we say short term goal, you save 10,000 pesos in 6 months for a vacation. That's the example of short term. We say short term, you have 6 months. For example, you're planning to have a vacation in 6 months. So need to you need to save a 10,000 for that month. And for medium term, in medium term, it's about 3 years to save a money. For example, to down payment for your house, you need a 500,000 to save in 3 years. So when you say long-term goal, you also have, yes, the long-term goal. In long-term goal, it's you have to save a million in retirement savings by age 60. You already plan when when you turn to when you turn to 60-year old, you have a savings of a million. And that's it. Having clear goals helps you stay motivated, make informed financial decisions, and reach your financial dreams. And yes, and that's it for my presentation for financial planning. And I hope I explained it well. And yes, that's it. Thank you.